my channel. If you're new, I'm Amanda, and for today's video I got some more goodies sent to me, gifted by Jeulia Jewelry. I have done another unboxing video from Jeulia Jewelry and I was just so impressed with the quality of the earrings I got. I'm actually wearing them right now. I was so impressed with the quality of their earrings that I reached out to them and asked them if they'd possibly be interested in collabing again, because I was so just impressed with their jewelry, and like I've gotten so many compliments on these that I couldn't help but like want to continue to like work with them and everything. So they were kind enough to let me pick out a gorgeous ring set. So with that being said, I wanted to do a little unboxing of the new gift that I got. So this is the box. So cute. I love their packaging. Everything is made with like the best quality, all the best precious metals. The stones are like cut to perfection. These are not diamonds. These are diamond stimulants. We also call them Jeulia stones, which I think is amazing. It's very unique to call something like a Jeulia stone. I just think it's really cool. So I love that a lot. When you first open the box, this is just about their return and exchange policy. Really good idea to read it if you are not quite sure about the size of something. This book, which I think is so cute, they have a new Mermaid collection. I'm just gonna kind of show you what's in here. This is just about their jewelry and the making of everything, and all items are handmade, made to order. I wanted to read the first page here really quickly because I feel like it's really important just for you guys to get kind of a feel of what Jeulia is about, what they're for. So I'm just going to go ahead and read it really quickly. Jeulia is here to deliver quality and affordable luxury jewelry that is unique and authentic for everyone. We take great pride in our designs, craftsmanship, and utilize environmentally cautious materials. We are confident that you will find many designs you will fall in love with. And that's just kind of what they're about. Ladies, let's be honest. Size does matter. And personally, I would rather have something like blingy and big, and maybe it be man-made, handmade diamond, than something else, but that's just preference. Obviously, some people really want the real diamond, but I feel like things like this, it's you can tell the quality in it, and it's just, you'll see. All right, so this is kind of a little bit about their metal. You can see right here that they use 935.7% silver and nickel release. I don't really know much about that, but at the bottom it says Jeulia Jewelry are made of 925 sterling silver compared with 99.9% silver, and the 925 sterling silver preserves hardness and beauty of the silver, or of silver, I'm adding my own words, and increase resistance to tarnish. Jeulia Jewelry has been verified by International Inspection, SGS. I also love that they are doing like the Nightmare Before Christmas design. I think that's like super cool. So cute. You guys can look at all these on their website. I just kind of wanted to like go over like all the cool, trendy, like fashionable, like statement pieces they have, just because they're bringing it. Like, so trendy, so cute. Basically, I think that I'll let you guys look through this on their website, but basically I feel like they have something for everyone. As gaudy and as big, like chunky bling jewelry, to very delicate, simple, like smaller pieces of jewelry. In the box, they also have like a little gift bag. If you're a man and you're watching this, you could put this in a little gift bag. It'd be all cute for like an anniversary or like Valentine's Day or something. I'm so excited to see this, you guys. I have been like anxiously waiting and like tracking the shipment for so long because I'm so excited. Okay, I'm gonna let you guys look first. Oh my gosh. How gorgeous. So I picked out a 3.5 carat circle classic design, and it came with a band, and this is a Jeulia stone. It is gorgeous. I don't know, you guys, I don't know if the sparkle is like picking up on camera, but like, wow. This is seriously so gorgeous. This is, I mean, like, wow. This looks so similar to a real diamond. Like, the cut on this, you can tell that it's just, like, it was so well designed. This is so pretty. Sorry, I didn't do my nails. I should have had my nails done for this video, but you can kind of see it here. I'm hoping my lights are picking it up. All right, so I'm gonna put it on. Oh, so I got a size 5. I'm normally like a 5 or a 4.5. This is gorgeous. Wow. And I'm normally more of like a gold or a rose gold person, but I kind of wanted to try something different and get the sterling silver, just because for one, it's more cost efficient. I'm going to be using this while I travel. I'm going to be traveling to see my best friend in the next few days. I didn't want to bring like the ring that I normally wear, like my actual wedding ring, with me, just because it's kind of expensive, and I wanted something like that looked amazing and that looks, I mean, this is like, I can't stop staring at it. It's so sparkly. I wanted something that I don't have to worry about losing or damaging or it getting stolen, like who knows. This is the band. So I was really excited and like looking forward to getting this before my trip. And I mean, this is so gorgeous that I'm gonna have to like switch them out, because I love the one that I have, obviously, it's amazing, but this one is like, oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. There's no, like, you can't even tell that it's not real. Like, it looks so real. It's so gorgeous. Okay, so I know that I don't actually wear a wedding band with my other ring. I just like wear that as my wedding ring. I kind of like the simplicity of it without wearing a band with it, but, and also on my other ring, the basket of it kind of curves out because it's oval. This one doesn't, so it's kind of cool to be able to like have the full set and like wear it how it's supposed to be worn, which is kind of nice. How gorgeous, you guys. Oh my gosh. Jeulia jewelry blows me away. The quality of everything is amazing. I'm not a hand model by any means, but my fingers are pretty short and like stubby, so hopefully this is gonna come out okay. I am a type of girl who loves jewelry. I love to switch up my jewelry, my hand pieces, my rings. I love all of that, and I mean, I feel like as long as I'm wearing a ring, that's all my husband really cares about. So with Jeulia jewelry, you're able to get tons of different styles, tons of different rings at such an amazing affordable price. I highly recommend you check them out. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. For more affordable fashion and affordable jewelry and reviews and all the good things, please subscribe to my channel if you have yet to. I post videos every Monday, sometimes on Wednesdays if I like record 2 a week, but I will also be linking the video, my unboxing video of these earrings. I'll put a little card up here for it, and then I'll also be linking it at the end of the video. If you guys have any questions about anything about the ring or about anything Jeulia jewelry related, please comment down below. I'll also leave their website and the link to this ring if you want it down in the description box as well. And yeah, thank you guys again so much for watching, and I will catch you next week.